It's been so long since I've been here. What are you talking about, Apple? Dude, this is the Weather Company. The Weather what? Hey! You took us into this Weather Company. I swear to God. I did. You son of a... Ow! Ow! Ow, my chest. Ow. That's what you get. Do you really? What? Hey, guys. Who is that behind you? Apple? Look at that. Oh, hi. What's your name? My name is Elliot Ludwig. Elliot Ludwig? That sounds familiar. I know. Since I got kicked off of public playtime, I had to come here. Look at that. Look at you button that lava. No. Well, what the flip? Boy, what the flip? I wonder if there's gonna be an ad soon. Yes, that would be good. Well, let's just wait. Because I literally see that web thing about to turn on an ad. Okay, where's some bosses? Wait, everyone, puppet!
You wear these booty shorts around other men?
Okay, we're back. So now. So, who's those guys down there? We don't know. Anyways, let's go. Yeah, you're right. Like, imagine who could that be, well, I'm just be sitting here. Wait, Jesus! What just happened? Go. Wow. These guys are weird. Hey, Melon? What? So, I want to tell you this. What are we doing here? That's what I told Al. Just killed a friend. He wasn't making any sense. He wanted to come over here for a reason. It's probably, for you. Please stop it. Therefore, what? Ow, 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 ow. Well, it's only me now. Get this big booty skeleton out of here. Get this big booty out of here. Did you forget about us? Oh yeah. I guess I'm not up there. Get the big booty butts in there, eh? You. It's only me and you. Let's fight, okay? Yeah. Like this. I'm at the Medusa. No! Ow, my stem. Ow, ow. What's this? Go with the blue man. No! It's only me now, so.